Yeah, that sounds pretty rough. I think we can fix it, but let's get it into the shop and see what exactly it needs done. So about a month ago, I had an idea. And that involved taking a Mini and turning it into a race car. So I'm out here at Blue Label again to see if that might be doable. And what we're thinking of doing is something like this. This is a Sundae Cup car built by one of the technicians here. And I'm thinking we should try to build something like this. So, with that in mind, we need to find a car. But there's a bunch of little projects going on out here. Lots of minis, of course. Let's go in and talk to Amir and see what he thinks about this idea. Because I think it's an interesting one. I think it has promise, and we'll see what we need to do. So with that being said, there's Amir.
Hi.
So I'm thinking we need to build a Sundae Cup car. What do you think?
Good idea.
Good idea?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to find a car.
I think we have a car.
You think you have one?
We have one.
Where is it? Let's go take a look at it.
Yeah, it's right this way.
Back out into the blazing sun. Can it get any hotter out here?
Unfortunately, yes.
Yeah, I know. That's a stupid question to say in Kansas or Missouri in the summer. So naturally, lots of minis, of course. A couple of parts cars.
Oh, there it is, right behind this one.
So this is, what's this right here? A Cedric?
It's a Nissan Cedric.
It is a Cedric. So this one.
Needs some work.
It definitely needs some work. Yep. What's wrong with it?
It needs a little engine refresh. Dropped a valve.
Oh, fun.
Little thermal event back here, but nothing we can't take care of.
Thermal event. Looks like it caught fire.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, maybe we can get it out of here later and find out if it'll run.
I think it'll run. It just won't be happy about it.
No, probably not. Well, let's see if this is the car. Okay, so let's take a look at the engine bay here. I was told the car has been sitting for about 7 months, so we're not expecting perfectly clean, but not bad for an almost 25-year-old car. Let's look at the interior. I hate that shifter. Door panels are missing. Well, no, they're the door panels. Okay, so not too bad. Not a fan of these seats, but we are going for a race car. Original owner's manual. Business cards are in there too. Not bad. Wonder whose cards these were. Trim looks okay. Reflectors are broken. That's definitely broken. A little rust, but we're going to wrap the car so we can fix that later. Might need new door panels. Looks like someone cut holes in those. It has a sunroof, so we'll just have to worry about that later.
Chase car experience. So we'll obviously a little bit of a mix of both. Sometimes if someone's slow enough, they'll get blown, the door blown off like you're on the right lane of the highway. We'll see how things pan out here.
How cold is this milk to the car?
No, someone cut it.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
I'm a little concerned about the corrosion back here on the rear subframe.
Control chaos that is real life. Of course, it's right now. We will likely see Nick Swan clear the way on the fast track. Basically over the platform now.
Okay, so doing a walk around under the car, we need to replace maybe the straps for the fuel tank, either recoat or replace the subframe for the rear, but it looks fine. Not sure about the exhaust, probably new muffler or new exhaust. We need to do a valve cover, gasket, and a new cylinder head as well while we're in there, so there's that. We're going to replace the coilover, suspension with coilovers, do new end links. We're going to do bushing, so these are coming out as well. And then the same back here. Figure out what to do over here where the spare tire used to be. Otherwise, not in terrible shape. Not as bad as I was expecting. New rear bumper. New core support for the front. This is plastic, so new core support. And probably a new front bumper while we're at it. So that's it for what we need to do right now. Next step will be determined once we get more info. It does run under its own power though. All right, so we parked the car back over here because we don't need to do anything with it yet, but here it is. This is going to be my 2002 Mini Cooper Sundae Cup car, but unfortunately I have some bad news. I need at least a year of racing in order to do Sundae Cup, which means we're going to probably do some high performance driving events and some autocross with it. Now yes, it has a sunroof, but there's not much we can do about that. Finding a non-sunroof car is incredibly hard. Finding one for the price that we're gonna pay for this sucker, even harder. The goal is to build a $5,000 race car. Right down to the point of even eventually doing a roll bar in the back. But we need to first get the car running properly, which means we need to fix the engine. Good news is we have a cylinder head, so we can fix it. Bad news is there's other stuff that needs to be done to the car. It needs new suspension. These are completely torn, but we're going to do coilovers, so that should be fine. Not a bad little car. The bumpers are shot, so we're going to get some new bumpers as well. The good news is we have some of those in the shop that we can use, but all in good time. Got to get it running first. Replace trim here, replace trim here. We're thinking of wrapping the car. I'm not a big fan of silver, so we're thinking red, maybe green, probably red. Could do blue, but I'm leaning toward red. Change out the wheels. I'm not a fan of these, especially with spacers on them. It's not perfect, but nothing ever is. The good news is we have a treasure trove of parts here, and I've already sourced some that are going to go on that little Mini over there. So if we're going to head back into the shop, and I'm going to because it is hotter than heck out here. Let's go and see the parts. Already pulled a few of them out. Some are still on the shelf, but we need a new front and rear bumper because as you saw in the previous videos, there was a fire and the rear bumper is melted. So, did we put them in? Yes, we did. Okay, so here's our new bumpers. So we have a new Cooper rear bumper. And we have a new front bumper. Now, yes, it is a Cooper-esque bumper, and it's a little damaged here and there, but we'll clean it up, we'll wrap it, and it'll look fantastic. Now, we also need to do a new interior. I'm not going to put a roll bar in the car immediately because Sundae Cup is going to be at least a year away. So we're going to go back here and I'm going to show you the interior that we sourced for the car. It's sitting up on this shelf right there. And we are going to put a lounge leather interior in the car. So there it is. And quite a treasure trove of parts in here. Amir, you said you had some door panels we could also put in the car because someone cut holes into the doors.
Some at home.
Do you have some at home?
I got 2 that actually I was going to throw away, but
They're in decent shape then?
I think they're in decent shape.
Perfect. All right. Well, that'll do it. So next time, hopefully we'll be actually doing some work on the car. We got some parts. We have a new cylinder head actually, right here. Car needs a new exhaust. We need a header. If you are looking to give some parts away for an R50, let me know. I'll give you an address to ship them to. If you're looking to sell them, let me know. We'll do the same thing. But until next time, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more for Project Tiny Terror, because we're going to be bringing the car in here at some point and beginning work. So lots more to do, lots more to see. Thanks for watching again, and by the way, this is Blue Label Racing if you're ever in the Kansas City area.